Welcome to Exceptional Care Windshield Repair Services. Visit us at www.fixyourrockchip.com, where every crack or chip has a melody, and every chip has a story. At Exceptional Care, we don't just fix windshields, we compose a symphony of clarity and precision, and also train you to make money from the comforts of your home. Normal training is 1 or 2 days. Experience the magic as our skilled technicians mend minor imperfections, turning your windshield into a canvas of perfection. Exceptional Care truly lives up to its name. My windshield looks brand new. Whether it's a small chip or a complete replacement, our services are orchestrated to meet the highest standards of excellence. Exceptional Care Windshield Repair Services, where the art of repair meets the rhythm of perfection. Call us for a symphony of clarity. 346-704-1754, or visit us at www.fixyourrockchip.com. We also have a mobile services so we can come to you. Now let's get your windshield repaired today.